Welcome to Unlocking the Power of Your Personality Type. In our first series, we're looking at your Myers-Briggs type as a series of processes instead of preferences. And this allows us to look at the 8 elements as a series of individual tools for personal development, tools that you can use to help you navigate the obstacles in the way of you achieving your goals and aspirations. It is important to remember that your Myers-Briggs type is not a box. It is not a cage. You are not limited to just expressing those 4 preferences. Instead, it's important to think of it like a platform for understanding your natural strengths and your natural weaknesses. When we get stuck thinking of our personality as something that's fixed or rigid, we miss out on developing critical parts of ourselves. So for example, if you have a preference for extroversion, that means you have a natural strength for interacting with the world around you. It also means you have a natural weakness for getting to know yourself, for exploring your inner world and really knowing who you are and what you stand for. And if you continually avoid that process of introverting, you'll spend your life bouncing between people and places and jobs, never quite knowing where you should land, never feeling quite content or satisfied. When we take the time to strengthen various elements of our personality, whether those are our primary preferences or not, we become more balanced, more well-rounded humans who are more comfortable navigating the challenges that life continually throws at us. And that's not to say that you have to be brilliant at all 8 processes or use them all simultaneously. Think of it more like a toolkit that you can dip in and out of as you need to, depending on what's going on in life. So I hope you'll join me, Samantha Mackay, lead trainer at Truity, as we dive into these 8 elements of personality and look at them as processes. We'll be discussing the benefits of using each, why you'll naturally want to avoid them, and I'll be giving you a range of techniques that you can start applying today to strengthen each of those elements. So I hope you'll join me for this 8-part series.